Dad has one, and he's gonna bring it up. Oh boy.
Don't keep me on.
I already did. Okay, here we go. Nice little fish. Here, could you hold this while I get the hook out? Okay, nice little fish on the 7-inch power worm and camo. Just a little fish. It's like probably first cast almost. And there he goes. Get back to you with more. Got him. Cool. Little guy. Little guy just caught it on this Booyah Pond Magic micro spinner bait. There he goes, tiny little bass. Nothing much, probably 7 inches. Getting back out there. So yeah, I was just burning this little Booyah Pond Magic. It's the micro size and white color. And get back to you with more fish. Oh, got another one on the jig. Here we go, guys. Oh, this feels like a little better of a fish. Ah, maybe not. Still a little guy. Got him on the jig. Oh yeah, I guess he's a little better. Oh yeah, it's a pretty nice fish. Here we go. Okay guys, just whack this fish on the jig. Sorry, getting the hook out really quick. It's in there good. Okay, there we go. Same black and blue finesse jig. I think it's like 1/4. And I stuck this pretty good bass, probably 1.5 pounds. It's a nice little fish.
You say everything's 1.5 pounds.
Well, that one looked like it. Okay, get back to you with more. Oh man, it wasn't recording. Okay guys, my popper was sitting there as I was talking to my dad, and this little bluegill just sucked it in. I was talking, I heard a splash, and I saw my popper went under, and this little bluegill ate it. Oh man, that's crazy.
Now you're gonna stick your hand.
Okay guys, got the hook out, just a little bluegill. There we go. Caught it on the Matsuo micro popper that I love so much, in chrome blue color. Get back to you with more fish, hopefully. Ah, just stuck one on the jig. There we go. First jig bass of the year. Nice. Little bass on the jig. My favorite finesse jig. There we go, jig and a chunk trailer. And just a nice little guy caught him in deep water on the jig. And here we go, the release. There he goes. Guys, I got a little fish on the red-eye shad. Actually, I have a big bluegill on the red-eye shad. Oh my gosh. This bluegill is huge. Let me work on getting the hook out. He actually ate it too. Okay, I got the hook out. Oh my gosh. Let me try to hold him better. Ah, I dropped him. This is a pretty nice bluegill. Hope you can see that with the light. The lighting might be weird. Here, let me take it to the side really quick. Okay, here we go. There's the bluegill. Oh my gosh. Big gill. Okay guys, getting back in the water. And there it goes. Get back to you with more, hopefully.